So next one here, multiplying by tens. So I have here 47 times 10. So I can look at it like this too. 47 times 10. Put my 0 there and say 47, 470. If I had 47 times 100, I could say 47 times 100. Like that. And I have 4,700. Okay, and they showed another way there of how to approach it. Now they have another 3-digit one here. So they have 354 times 438. 4 times 8 is 32. 5 times 8 is 40. Plus 3 is 43. Three times 8 is 24. Plus 4 is 28. Okay. So now I'm multiplying to find out the number of tens. So 3 times 4 is 12. Carry my 1. 3 times 5 is 15. 16. Carry my 1. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. Alright. And now I'm multiplying to find out the number of hundreds. So what the result is going to give me all the hundreds there are. Okay. So I have 4 times 4, which is 16. 4 times 5, put down my 6 and carry my 1. 4 times 5 is 20. Plus 1 is 21. Put on my 1 and carry my 2. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. Add these up. I have 2 here, 5 here. What's that going to be? 6 and 8 is 14. 6 and 6 is 12. 6 and 6 is 12 plus 8. 12 and 8 is 20. Carry my 2. Okay. 2 and 2 is 4, 1 is 5. 5 and 1 is 4 and 1 is 5. And then 1. And it gives you my value there. And this one here is a little different. We have 896 times 201. So I multiply and find my number of ones. I have 6 times 1 is 6. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 8 is 8. So now I want to find the number of tens. So I'll shift it over. So my results will be shifted to count the number of tens. 0 times 6 is 0. 0 times 9 is 0. 0 times 8 is 0. Now I'm finding the number of hundreds, so I shift it over twice. So now my results are going to count the number of hundreds. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry my 1. 2 times 9 is 18, plus 1 makes it 19. 2 times 8 is 16, 17. Then we add these together. 6 and 9. 8 and 2 is 10. 9 and 1 is 10. And 8. And 1 there. So we have 180,096. Now they're doing phrases. So you see the word phrase you want to be familiar with certain phrases. Times, product, and twice. All those are little phrases that mean for multiply. 3 times 8, or the product of 3 and 8, or twice 4. So they want to translate 12 times 27, and you multiply it. Twice 211. So that's 200 twice 211 would be 2 times 211, and you multiply it, it's 422. Humberto bought 4 sheets of stamps. Each stamp had 20 stamps. Each sheet had 20 stamps. How many stamps? So he had 4 sets of 20. 4 times 20 is 80. And there's your multiplication. Rena cooks rice. There's twice as much water as rice. So how much water? 4 cups of rice would be twice as much. So it's going to be 2 times 4, which is 8. Van is planning to build a patio. He will have 8 rows of tiles. He'll have 8 rows, and each tile will have 14 tiles in each row. How many tiles? So it's going to have 8 sets of 14, which is going to be 8 times 14, which is 112. Okay. Now, if you want to know the size of a wall that needs to be painted, or the amount of floor that needs to be carpeted, you find the area. Area is a measure of the amount of surface that is covered by a particular shape. Area is measured in square units. So it's not uncommon to see square inches, square feet, square centimeters, square miles to measure area. Examples here. There's a square, 1 inch square, 1 square inch. 1 centimeter square, 1 square centimeter. So if you have a rectangular shape and you know the length and the width, you find the area, which is going to be 2 times 3 is 6 square feet. And if you count it, you can see the 6 square feet in here. And that's the end of 1.4.